Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mushroom onion soup. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, ensuring your soup has the best possible foundation. Then, I'll guide you through the essential preparation steps, from slicing your onions perfectly to cleaning your mushrooms. Finally, we'll dive into the crucial caramelization process, which unlocks incredible depth of flavor for your soup. Let's get cooking. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to deglaze the pot. This step captures all those flavorful brown bits, adding incredible depth. Next, we'll introduce the mushrooms, letting them cook down and develop their earthy notes. Finally, we'll create a simple roux with flour, which is key to achieving that perfect, comforting consistency in your soup. This combination builds a truly satisfying base. Hey everyone, if you're finding this mushroom onion soup guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give this video a like. And on another note, cooking can be thirsty work, so remember to stay hydrated. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your flavorful base ready, it's time to add the broth and let everything meld together. A gentle simmer allows all the ingredients to harmonize beautifully. Don't forget to season generously with fresh herbs and spices. This is where you truly make the soup your own. Finally, for that classic touch, serve your soup with a slice of toasted bread and a generous topping of melted Gruyere cheese. Pure comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.